Hey everybody, it's Brandon at Crorzar here. Wanted to take a minute and show you some features of the Crorzar Cameras app. It's pretty powerful. Now, as we go back over to devices, we're going to go to our indoor 360 camera. And one of the first things that you'll notice, if you hold down on any of the cameras, it pops up the submenu. You can easily share the camera feed from here, or you can get into the motion settings, the alerts, the settings. If you want to delete it from your account, you can do that as well. So you'll come in here, click on it to load it up. The first thing that you're going to notice is a menu across the middle. The first button there is the volume control button. By default, it's turned off. If you want to be able to hear what's going on at your camera, you hit that button and that turns the audio feed on. The next option over is your high def recording versus standard definition. If your internet connection was really slow and you wanted a lower quality of video, that's where you could make that change. The middle one changes the aspect ratio of your video. For instance, if you wanted to come and see a 1:1, there's a few different options there. Now this is where you can come, the fourth section over, the video camera, you can actually manually record a clip. You click that and you need to let it record for at least 4 seconds. And once that's done, whenever your video clip is over, you can tell it to stop recording and it'll give you the option to share it from right there. Now that fifth menu over makes it a full screen. Now, if you want to talk to somebody on the other end of your camera, you simply hold that button to speak there in the middle, the microphone. On the left side, under View Events, again, each of the events is saved under a video or a photo. So you can come in here, along this middle menu, you can actually search by time of day to come and search through the video clips that you've taken. If you want to tell it to only look for alarm-triggered events or motion-triggered events, those two orange boxes on the bottom left is where you can do that search. Now, if you want to change the day in the upper right-hand corner, you can come in there and pick the day that you want to search for particular video. You scroll through the time, you scroll through the date, and you also have the ability to select what type of video event you want to view. Now, that's all found under the View Events tab. If you want to take a snapshot of the screen, a picture of the screen, you hit that snapshot button and it takes the picture.